Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to replace your tab that broke in the cargo area. This is for the Model X. My tab broke. I put a lot of weight on it. I put two floor jacks on it, and it broke, maybe in a bump or something. And this came out down, and because it was loose, you know, the shelf that is in between the back of the seats. So this one broke. I want to replace it. I tried to glue in it. Don't do it. I use a super glue, a lot of it, and don't do it because it's just gonna make it worse. And it broke right away when I just tapped it. Don't glue it. I'll show you how to replace the part. It's a little bit tricky. It's a little bit of a hassle. You need a lot of tools, some light, some space, and this is a part. This is for the Model X. This one goes in here. This for my right hand side. It's called the Minion right hand. The part number is 106 68 48-00-D. So this is gonna this is a whole support for the Model X from 2016 to 2020, because the new model, I was looking online, they're smaller because I think they break, and this is a hassle to remove it. I'll show you right now how to. They're smaller. I guess they just move it, make it more convenient to replace it with two screws right here and other third, and then you just pop out the new one, and that's it. Okay, so let me show you how this came out. You're gonna have to open your cargo area. You're gonna remove the weather stripping, pull it out, get this piece out, pull it out. There's two Torx right here. I believe it's 20, 25. And then you're gonna, of course, empty everything, but I'm not gonna remove everything. The shelf. You're gonna remove the bottom carpet, pull it out with a flathead, and then this part too. I'm gonna pop some pull tabs and put this carpet, the ones that goes in the wall, and then out here you're gonna remove this the trim, this trim too, so you can remove the bottom sill, and then you're gonna undo a screw right here too, and kind of pull it out carefully because it's still attached there. And then there's another T20 or T15 right here, and then you're gonna undo it as well. And then let me get my flashlight. Well, the thing is that you're gonna remove all these so you can get and pull the carpet from the side. You can do this with, and there it sits. Let me pull it because I'm doing this one-handed. Put my lamp first. Okay. Come on. Alright. Anyways, I'll just put it right here. That's what I'm gonna start. Anyways, so this thing goes, it's sitting like a chair like this. But you gotta watch out when you remove. You gotta, of course, there's two more pull things. There's three, and when you take it up, you're gonna be careful with those cables. This is for your rear AC. Watch out, don't break them. It was kind of hard to wiggle it out because there's this one and that one. So I was gonna unplug it, but it was kind of tight. So just make sure to go slow and easy on it, and just pull it out. And this part is gonna come out. It'll be sitting right there. It's gonna come out, and then you can get your new one in, and then reassemble everything back the way it's supposed to be. Put it back and fix it. But this is the part. This is the part you need. There's none on eBay. These are not common. Maybe because they break all the time or people don't know, but you gotta get it from Tesla. That's the part number. This is for the right hand side and the passenger side. Again, let me show you the number. I'll make another video when I replace it. So that's a part. Minion right hand. This is for the 2016-2020 model Lexus. The newer style have a smaller minion, which is easily removed because this is a hassle to have to open it. But anyway, please give it a thumbs up so you can order your part and replace the thing, because I do use a lot the cargo space for work. I actually fold the seats because I don't really use them, but when I use them, I just pop them up and keep everything out here. Alright, so please thumb up. Thank you.